Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2014 Ford Edge with a sharp dent in the right rear door. Here we are looking at the Ford Edge here, the right rear door. This damage was actually located at the very front edge of this door. With damage in this type of area, it's actually where the inner and outer structure actually meet and are bonded together or sandwiched together as we like to call it. This makes for a slightly more difficult repair versus a door dent that's in the wide open, or as we like to call it, in the center of the door. There's also slight traces of a paint transfer or a slight scuff in the center of this dent as well, as you can see here. We're going to go ahead and remove that for the customer as well. Here's a look at the finished results on this Ford Edge. We were able to get this damage out 100% using the paintless dent repair method. So if you've got similar damage in your car, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. Thanks for watching.